What's going on, guys? Today I want to take a quick look at the BoostArea 24 watts, 2,400 lumens, super bright LED floor lamp. Now this does have a dimmer on it. I'm going to unbox it and take a quick look at it. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. So I did pick this up on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below. I believe they do have a sale going on right now. And I have the page pulled up. So you can save an extra 5%. Go ahead and check that price out on Amazon. So we have an instruction manual, and the light comes in parts. So to assemble the lamp, we simply screw on each one of these metal frames. And you guys can see on the top here is the LEDs. And so it's shining upwards and it'll shine onto your ceiling. These LEDs last super long, so they won't need to be replaced. So you guys can see after we've assembled the floor lamp, it's got a nice metal base and the dimmer switch is right here. And there is the top. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You can see that is light there. It's a nice, I'm gonna turn off my desk lamp here, but it is 3,000 Kelvins, and that's the color temperature. So it is a little bit of a yellow type color, and that is nice because it's softer on the eyes. Let's go ahead and dim it. And that's totally off, and we turn it on. So let's turn it off here. There's a look at my desk. Turn it on, and that is with the lamp on. So that is a quick look at the BoostArea LED floor lamp, guys. Here is the product page on Amazon. And go ahead and check it out. It is in the description. If you guys did find this video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.